Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing a skincare routine that I have been following during this lockdown. It's super natural and you can find all the products at your home. I have been following this routine from the past few days now, and yes, I can see the difference in my skin. So if you want to know, watch it till the end, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing is a DIY face wash cum scrub. It was suggested by my mom. I have been trying it out for the past few days now, and yes, it is really good. So I have made it in ample quantity, so I do not need to make it daily, so you can do the same. I do not have a clip of making it, but yes, I will tell how. So you need equal amounts of gram flour and Multani Mitti, and mix them well and add a pinch of turmeric to it. It helps with pimples and gives a glow on your face, and it's really great. Now on how to use it. So take whatever quantity you want for your face, add rose water or normal water, whatever suits you, and make a thin paste out of it. It should be really thin so that it gets rubbed all over your face easily, and then with the help of your fingers massage it all over your face in upward moving direction, and for 5 minutes you can massage it and then wash your face with water and you're good to go. The next thing that I'm going to share with you is a face pack, and you can use it twice or thrice a week. It gives a glow, natural glow to your skin, and it makes your skin soft, and here's how you can make it. So for the mixture, what you need to do is take curd, then add gram flour to it, add a bit of turmeric and some lemon water and mix it all. You need to make a thick consistency of the paste. It should not be thin. So, because it's a face pack, so it needs to be thick. If it is not thick, then you can add more of gram flour to it. I did the same, and then apply it all over your face. Let it dry completely and then wash it with normal water, and do not forget to moisturize your skin afterwards. So the last thing that I like to do is for dark circles and puffiness. So I get puffiness under my eyes and all. So if your face gets swollen or puffiness, then you can try it out. For the last thing, you need to take rose water on a cotton pad and clean your face with it. Then take 2 cotton pads dipped in rose water and keep them over your eyes for like 15 minutes so that your eyes gets rested and tiredness gets removed. Then take Aloevera gel. I'm using natural aloe vera. You can use the market one as well, and rub it or massage it over your face for 5 minutes. If you are doing this routine in the morning, then you can wash your face afterwards, but I like to do it at night, so I get to keep the aloe vera gel on my face overnight, which gives good results. So try this thing at night and then wash your face with normal water in the morning and moisturize afterwards. Guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, then please tell me in the comment section below what you want me to do more, or what kind of videos do you like. Till then, like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and yeah, till then, bye bye.